Hi guys, and today I got my new 12 watts USB power adapter, which is going to replace this adapter right here. Alright guys, before we jump right in, please like, subscribe and comment down below. Alright, let's begin. So, open this up. There you go. The new 12 watts power adapter. And guys, this is better because this one here is 10 watts and this one's 12 watts. So this one will charge faster, about 1.5% faster compared to this one. And yeah, so we'll put this away. Take the plug. You see, it's brand new, shiny, ready to use. Actually, no. Take this plastic off first. Plastic taken off. Plug it right in. Plugged in. It's charging perfectly. Yeah guys, so this older one right here, we might put it back in storage or buy another wire and use it for the other iPad I use. Alright guys, I just wanted to share with you that I got a new power plug and now my iPad can charge way faster. Alright guys, remember, subscribe, like, comment down below, and peace out.